So I'm Vail May, Vice President of CK May. Became an owner here just recently. I run day-to-day operations. I work with my folks, Craig and Christy May, who are also owners of the company. Went to school for mechanical engineering, civil engineering, and business management. After going to school, I realized how much I did enjoy the dirt world and what my dad did. And I love the diversity. No day's boring. I think every day goes by so fast, and sitting back at the end of a project and looking at something and being proud of it and building things that are critical for everyday life, and subdivisions, roads, highways, water sewer systems. So a few years ago, we didn't have anything as far as technology. And now I'd say we're one of the most heavily integrated technology fleets in the valley, and honestly, as you look around the state, guy came on site who had been around GPS. He's like, you gotta give it a try. And we were skeptical of it because we're like, I mean, like anything new, you're cautious to get into it. And we had a model built for us, and we got a dozer out there, and then you hop in there and you can see your plans and your cut fills and all that, and just started moving dirt, and you're moving it twice as fast. And then at that point, we realized this is something we should dive into. A lot of our work's excavator haul truck work. So when we saw an excavator with GPS on it, we were like, we have to try this. So we tried it next to a competitor, and the Komatsu just shined as far as the machine control went. It was dialed, didn't have to make any calls to modern. They came out, set it up, showed me how to use it, and then we were digging immediately. Didn't have any hiccups. And we just can't replace the production that we're getting out of them. But when they can see their plans, that helps so much, because when you put it in front of them, they can see it, and not only can they see it, but it'll hold them on grade, and then just production exploded. Use those excavators a lot for utilities, so we can put our water sewer main in there. They can dig straight to the bottom of pipe, no over digging, straight trenches. We have a couple dozers, so 61 to 71, and they're so smooth compared to anything else we've ran. I don't know what it is, but just rarely have issues, super smooth, as close to headache-free as you can get. And when you've got a fleet of almost 100 pieces of equipment, the less things you have to worry about, the better. And that's what we found with the Komatsu iron. And there's a hell of a team standing behind it. Modern's assembled some great people. They show up when they say they're gonna show up, and if they can't get there, they pull strings to make things happen for you. It's hard to put a number to how much our production is increased by GPS, just because it's part of life anymore. I mean, you can't be competitive without it in this day and age. If you're not integrated from start to finish with technology and machine control and drones and surveying, I mean, you're gonna get left in the past.